using Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on PC. 1. Restart the game in PC. Close Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 completely. Exit Steam or battle.net. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Check if the audio issue is resolved. Number 2. Check Windows Volume Mixer. Right-click the speaker icon. Select Open Volume Mixer. Locate Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Make sure the game is not muted. Increase the volume if necessary. Test the audio again. 3. Verify in-game audio settings. Launch the game. Open Settings. Go to Audio. Ensure master volume is above 80%. Check Music, Effects, and Voice Chat volumes. Apply the settings and restart the game. 4. Set the correct playback device. Open Windows Sound Settings. Select your headset or speakers. Click Set as Default Device. Disable unused audio devices. Restart the game. Check the sound. 5. Update audio drivers. Press Windows X. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver, install the latest driver, restart your PC. 6. Disable audio enhancements, open sound settings. Select your playback device, click Properties, open the Enhancements tab, disable all enhancements, apply changes, launch the game again. 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or battle.net. Locate Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, select Verify, Scan, and Repair. Wait for the process to complete. Restart the launcher. Launch the game. 8. Change audio sample rate. Open sound settings. Select your playback device. Click Properties, Advanced. Set the default format to 20-bit, 48,000 Hz. Apply the changes. Restart the game. 9. Disable background audio software. Close Discord. Close VoiceMod. Close Nahimic. Close Sonic Studio. Disable any audio enhancement software. Launch the game and test the sound. 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game. Install the latest updates. Launch the game. Check if the audio issue is fixed.